To change YouTube channel description on mobile and PC. On PC, open your Chrome browser and log into your YouTube account. Click your profile picture in the top right corner. Select YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. In the left-hand menu, click Customization. Scroll down and here in Description section enter your updated channel description. Once you have made your changes, click Publish in the top right corner to save them. The new description will appear in the About section of your channel. On mobile, open the YouTube app and sign in. Tap your profile picture in the down right corner. Select View Channel. Tap the Edit Channel button, pencil icon. Under Description, tap the pencil icon and update your channel description. Tap Save to apply the changes. This will update the information that visitors see when they view your channel profile. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you.